What is up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a great day. Want to talk about Bitcoin today, guys? Definitely. Let's talk about Bitcoin, because it is Bitcoin time, guys, and Bitcoin's time has arrived. I'm on an article about Decrypt with Decrypts today, and it asks Bitcoin. Time has arrived. ETFs hopefuls eagerly await SEC's decision. Yes, that is true. But I want to dig into a little bit of that and just say, yes, Bitcoin's time has arrived. Bitcoin has proven itself to be one of the most stable, if not the most stable, cryptocurrencies in the market, right? It's the granddaddy of them all, right? Nobody bigger than Bitcoin. And so it is Bitcoin's time, and you have these ETFs that are about to get approved at some point. I don't think that they're going to make the deadline that the SEC has put out for itself, but I do believe that they're making great progress towards that deadline. So I think that there's a mixture of, I have a mixed feeling about it. I don't think that they're going to make the deadline, but I do think that they're making great progress towards these approvals. And why I feel so bullish on it is the fact that now you have these big money venture capitalists getting ready to start putting their money into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So if it takes a little bit longer for all that to happen, I'm okay with waiting. To answer the question, is it Bitcoin's time? It is definitely Bitcoin's time with these ETFs. And Ethereum will have its time next round of ETFs, I believe. But I definitely think that this is Bitcoin's time. Um, and Bitcoin's has a tremendous 2024 in front of it. We're going to have ETF approvals, and then we're going to have the halving right around April. So, I think, Bitcoin has two major catalysts that's getting ready to send the Bitcoin price, in my opinion, the price, through the moon. So, where are we at with these ETFs, right? That's the question everybody has, right? So, where we are is you have Grayscale, Van Eck, I'm sorry, um, Van Eck, and I'm sorry, Grayscale, Van Eck, and ARK, all approved for their spot Bitcoin ETF trading. So they're basically approved to trade on the stock exchange, and you also have Fidelity as well. Their ETF is approved. The only thing that they're lacking is the actual ETF, right? The ETF approval. So I think because you have the SEC approving Fidelity, Grayscale, VanEck, and ARK, and we know that BlackRock will be approved to trade on a trading platform. I mean, that's just common sense. Because these guys have already been approved, I think that's why I'm confident that that process is moving forward in a very positive way. If it takes a little bit longer for that to happen, it's okay. We've been through a nasty bear market already. So what's a week or two more, right? So in my opinion, but that's kind of where we are, guys. We're waiting for the SEC to approve these spot Bitcoin ETFs any day now. Could be a day, could be a week, right? And then you have a lot of the big players in this ETF game getting approvals to trade their ETFs on the stock market, Nasdaq, places like that. So you definitely have them approvals coming in, which lets you know that progress is being made. So we're right there. I think we're right at the top of the mountain. We're right almost at the peak, and we're getting ready to touch the top of that mountain when it comes to these ETFs. But more importantly, guys, remember that the halving is right around the corner as well. So you're going to have these spot Bitcoin ETF approvals, I believe, first. You're going to have the halving second. Two major events for Bitcoin that's going to send Bitcoin, which I in turn believe will send the cold cryptocurrency market, into a nice little run for crypto. So with that, guys, there's my Bitcoin update. Go ahead and give this a like, give this a share. Give me a comment. Let me know whether you liked it. Let me know whether you didn't like it. If you didn't like it, leave me a comment. If you liked it, leave me a comment as well. And if you like the content here, go ahead, give me a sub And I appreciate every single one of you guys. And we'll be back at you guys with more Bitcoin updates. We'll be following this thing all the way through. And you guys have a great day. And like I said, I appreciate every single one of you. And make sure that you make sure you check out the channel for more updates and on Bitcoin, and check out the live streams as we review the news every day. So everybody have a great day. Appreciate you. Definitely Bitcoin's on the move, right on the cusp of that bull run at the second half of 2024, right on the cusp of these ETF approvals, and we're right there at the halving. So definitely Bitcoin's in a great space, and I do believe that we're going to be having the same conversation about Ethereum relatively soon here. So we're right there, guys. We're right there. Be patient, and the market will take care of itself as these things start to roll out. So, like I said before, like, subscribe, share this thing out, get it out there. If you like what you hear, hit that sub button. If you don't like what you hear, leave me a comment. If you do like what you hear, leave me a comment as well. Let me know. Kind of lets me know what content to continue to put out or where to get better. So with that, you guys have a great night. Appreciate every single one of you.